Meaning of historicism.
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 Historicism. Historicism is a philosophical approach to understanding history that emphasizes the importance of historical context and societal influences on the development of ideas and events. It holds that historical processes are not predetermined, but are shaped by human agency and cultural norms. Historicism rejects the idea of timeless truths or universal principles and instead emphasizes that ideas and values are historically contingent. This perspective has been influential in a variety of fields, including literary criticism, art history, and political theory. In summary, historicism stresses the impact of social and cultural factors on the course of history and human thought.